Hi viewers, this is Vetrivel. Today we can discuss about how to utilize the survey variable in our form. Login into forms.office.com and I have already designed the form. If you want, you can design the new form. So I will show you how to use the survey variable inside the form. So in the right hand side corner, you can just click the three dot and choose the survey variable. You can see here by defaultly you have the first name and the last name. If you want to add the survey variable and click the new variable and type the variable which you want. For example, I am mentioning the case number. Creating one more survey variable also. Case title. If you want to create multiple survey variable, so this case number, case title I am going to use in our form. You can use the survey variable in your questions or question description or heading. So I am going to use the survey variable in our question section. So here you can edit the question. You can see here the variable option is there. Click that variable option and choose the which variable you want to add here. So I'm going to give the first name. Here I am going to give the case number. The survey automatically saved. So we have mentioned the survey variable in our form. We are going to send the survey to the customer. So I am going to configure the flow. You can choose the template. By default I will go with the support survey template. Configure the flow. I am choosing send a survey when case is resolved. That template I am going to choose. Scroll down. Continue. And choose the environment and create the flow. Now flow is successfully created. We are going to alter that flow. Login into indiaflow.microsoft.com. Here you can find out the flow. Send a survey when case is resolved. You can just edit the flow. Expand the condition. The status reason equal to 5. The survey sent to the customer. So this is the survey, send survey to the customer. Here click on the show advanced option. So we have previously mentioned case number, case title. It is automatically populated. So we are going to pass the dynamic content here. Choose the case number and the case title. The same step you can perform the no action card as well. case number and case title. So now you can save the flow. So now we are going to test this flow. Test. I will trigger the action. So login into your CRM. So now we are going to resolve this case. Give the resolution and mention the billable time and resolve the case. So now the case is resolved. So we are going to check our flow. The flow is run successful and we have received the mail. You can refresh the page. I think, yeah, now we got the mail. So open the survey invite and click the start survey. You can see here, so we have mentioned that the first name and a case number. So the two survey variable, it is automatically getting the value from the CRM. So like that you can mention the survey variable in your form. I'm going to submitting this form. Okay, completed. Thanks for watching.